not guilty on behalf of Mr. Escoto, denying the enhancements as well as the special circumstances alleged in the complaint?
Yes, Your Honor. And it was very hard being here today, seeing the person who murdered our family. We have always been united, and we are representing my family here, representing my sister's name, my niece's name, and we want justice. We want justice for what he did to them. They didn't deserve this because they were great people, and we don't understand why he did this to our family when they lent them their hand, when they were there for him. It's just something that we don't understand. They gave them everything, when they gave him all their love, their respect, and they were there for him. We just don't understand what was going on in his head to end with my sister and my niece's life and their newborn baby that they had.